Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gloria Kerubo. Today we are going to do cooking, and guess what? We are going to prepare crunchy chicken in KFC style. Welcome and stay tuned. Here I have chicken, eggs, spices, oil, tomatoes, some flour, and chips because I'm going to serve it with chips. So this is my chicken. It is broiler type. I chose it because it's easy to cook as compared to kienyeji chicken. So I advise you to use broiler to make your crunchy chicken. We'll start by cutting the meat into small pieces. You can see as you cut these, make them to small portions according to the number of people you are going to serve. You can see I've cut into small portions. Yeah, those are the kitchen wings. The next step after cutting, I'm going to break my eggs. And in this case, I'm going to use 3 eggs. Some prefer to use buttermilk, but for me, I choose eggs. So you break them. I choose eggs because, you know, these eggs are so good and they always make the meat to be crunchy, and that's what I love. So after doing so, I'm going to add salt. A little bit of salt. Then I'm going to stir. You can see the way I'm doing it. Guys, it's just simple. You can see. Then I'm going to use the ingredients: paprika, curry powder, and then the flour, golden all-purpose flour. It's so good, but you can use any of your kind. This is my flour. I'm going to add paprika to it. Then I'm going to add curry powder. Okay, as I continue, I'm going to add my oil to my cooking, so that as I continue with the other parts, the oil will continue to boil up. After doing so, I'm going also to take this salt and add to my chicken. Then mix it. You can see the way I'm mixing. You mix it so that it can touch every portion of the meal. So you can see. Then I'm going to add paprika. This is a spice I'm using. And as I said, I'm using 2 spices. I'm adding also curry powder. Then I start mixing. Yeah. You can see I've done the mixing. This is the mixing. Then I will immerse it in my oil, my eggs. Yeah. After doing so, I'm going to put it on my flour, the flour that I had prepared. Okay, to coat the chicken. You can see. Make sure that the flour is touching every part to coat it completely. Then I'm going to add it on my egg for the second coat. Why? Because you know, when you do the second coat, the coats are going to stick completely and are not going to pull out of it. So I'm doing the second coat. So I advise you to do always second coat. You can see after doing so, shake it, yeah, and make sure I want to show, yeah, make sure that the flour is complete, then shake to remove excess flour from it. Do that for other portions, and then you can see I've done it already. I'm checking if my oil is ready, and if you see the bubbles, you will know the oil is ready. Yeah, so now I'm adding these portions into the oil for them to cook. Yeah, be careful guys, so that you avoid being burnt in the kitchen. So make sure you're so careful while you're doing it. After doing so, you're just going to observe, just going to take only 10 minutes and it will be ready for you. Yeah, so keep on turning the meal so that every part of it is cooked well. Guys, I'm just loving them. Are you seeing them? Oh my, they're so cute, they're so good. Oh, delicious, you can see. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Yeah, and finally, this is the crunchy chicken KFC style served with chips and some kajumbari. Thank you for watching and subscribe.